Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Take a look at a trendline break setup that we had in crude oil futures today. Crude oil was just basically in compression, really the entire morning. We had this significant low down here at 36.38. We had this significant high up here at 37.08. And crude was just chopping inside that. You can see just wicks on both sides of every bar and just no real direction here at all in crude. As the morning went on, we started to get into kind of a little pennant pattern here. And so we put our trend line in here on crude. We actually had a false breakout. It's good for a target, but actually a false breakout pulled back down, and then we broke out to the upside. 5 and the 13 crossed to the upside. Price closed above the 50 EMA, and crude started heading higher. Then we broke out of the top of our channel and pushed higher from there. Our actual target was 37.52 in crude today. The initial trendline break took place at 36.81. And so we didn't go straight up there. We used our Unirenko chart. We were actually in and out a couple times on our way to 37.52, but we actually went up there and tagged our 37.52 target. Broke above it by a couple ticks, but again, our target was 37.52, and we actually were able to tag that. And this is how that actually played out on the Unirenko chart, because again, we didn't just go straight up there. The initial breakout took place right here. We broke above these previous power lines. Again, that was at 36.81, and that was good for one target to the upside. We pulled back, had a momentum reset, took a wick off the 18. That was good for two targets to the upside. So this is $100 per contract. This is $200 per contract. Pulled back again. Set up another momentum reset right here with a wick off the 18 and a wick off 34. At this point, we were breaking out of the channel, the top of the 30-minute channel. That was good for two targets to the upside. Got yet another pullback. Did not take this pullback. The slow line never got back under the 25, so we didn't have any kind of a decent momentum reset on this one. Pushed up a little bit, pulled back again. We did get a momentum reset. Again, we were bullish on the 30-minute chart. Got another nice push up to the upside, three targets on that one, and held a runner up to 37.52. 37.52 ended up being a target for the day, but some nice setups based off of a trend line break on our 30-minute chart. Again, we drill down to our smaller time frame charts. The Unirenko chart is a smaller time frame chart. These are fairly small bar settings. This is a 2-tick trend, 5-tick offset, 10-tick reversal bar, and that's a fairly small time frame chart. So again, we look to our higher time frame chart to give us a signal. Once we get some kind of a signal off our higher time frame chart, we look to our lower time frame chart to get setups that allows us to use smaller stops, controls our risk, and gives us some nice well-defined setups. And we had several of them in crude oil today.